Hello, this is Gibran Ahmed, and I do 3D work for interior and products like furniture, mostly furniture. So I would like to tell you that this is my working portfolio. You can see I modeled this Chicago bathroom table and Blender 3D 2.79b Cyclus render engine. Also, I have a YouTube channel, so I upload YouTube video over there. ठीक है ना? This video also I will upload on my YouTube channel, so you can see and check my videos. Also, I did live streaming for this one. Also, I did live streaming, and live streaming you can check on my channel, and also check on my this this channel, this art station profile of art station Gibran SEO. Okay, Gibran SEO, because I do also SEO. I'm also SEO professional with the 5 years of experience. You can check. This is my work. This is my art station portfolio. Like this, I model my own Android Moto G5S Plus in Blender 3D. You can see. You can check out all process of modeling and final rendering. This was my render preview. Okay, now check this one. This is I this is a mm, this is a steam vortex flow meter, and this was model in Blender 3D, and I import this in Substance Painter. You can check its realistic rendering, realistic work and texture and material. You can check hardness, check out. Okay, I also upload the 3D modeling video of this uh, mm, steam vortex flow meter at my YouTube channel. Check out my channel at my profile. This is kitchen modeling work. You can check lighting. I'm showing you all this. Check the lighting. This is interior work I did in Blender 3D Cyclus render engine. Most of the people are asking to work only on Blender 2.81A or B version, which is latest version of Blender 3D software. And also they ask to render every model nowadays or every interior or product work in EV. But I would like to suggest them, and I would like to say them that if you provide the proper images and provide the proper details of material, so I can also do this type of work for them. How realistic is that? Check this: lighting, chairs, walls, roof, floor, and these are my rendered result of that kitchen. You can see my Fiverr ID. You can also hire me on Fiverr.com. Okay. Also check the video. This is a film and this is a movie scene. I I love that tomorrow. You can check. This was the real scene, real image of a screenshot of that of a movie. Okay, so I model this. I model this in Blender 3D 2.79p cyclist render engine. You can see the floor hardness. Do you check how hard is for it? Let me zoom in for you. Check the hardness of floor. You will see very depth detail. Now another thing I also do 2D to 3D floor plan working. If you provide me CAD PDF file or hand sketch paper file like this on the paper, or you sketch by the lining and with detail that where should be the bathroom, where should be the doors, and where should be the kitchen space, and like this, and also provide me the detail that what furniture should be in the mm, kitchen, and what should be the bathroom assets, so I can model and do like this type of work for you. You can check. I can render, I can give the proper lighting. Check. That is a TV lounge, sofa set, a sofa couch. That is a table. That is a kitchen space. That is a door. Okay, and another thing too. If you view from the top view, if you check from the top view, so there are one, two, three doors, one bathroom, and one kitchen, and sit and guest room. You can see the TV lounge, couch, table. This one is table, and that is that is the kitchen area. That is TV lounge. That is bathroom, and that is maybe it was another area. I did this in Blender 3D. Give the lighting, proper lighting for rendering, so everyone can see in the render. I also model this Airsoft UZI 10 in Blender 3D. Then I export as OBJ file and import in Substance Painter. This was my first render working of Substance Painter with hard realistic material rendered result. You can see its hardness. You can check that I'm showing you. Yeah, you can check the black steel shining metal. Okay, you can check here. You can, no, this one, not this one. Yes, you can check this. This is realistic and really cool. Okay, I also did this one project in the Substance Painter. Few of these these results are rendered result of Cycless Blender 3D. Blender 3D Cycless render result. Those three products, and this one render result is generated by Substance Painter with a steel metallic material. You can check these. Also check them this hardness. Okay. Now you can see lots of my old and present work at artstation.com/Gibran SEO. Check out this. I model them in Blender 3D Cycless render. That's my WhatsApp number. You can contact me via WhatsApp, or also you can hire me on favor.com/Gibran SEO. I can model these type of furnitures and also can model 2D to 3D floor work. Okay, this I did for a coffee cafe, and this was my blend. This was my favor project, done very successful. Mm, This was a kitchen, 3D kitchen. I did all this working done in Blender 3D. Check out. You can tell me, you can check for interior 3D and product 3D modeling and rendering by Blender 3D. Okay, make sure I can provide you Blender source file, OBJ source file, FBX, STL source file. Okay, now one more thing I would like to tell you, which is very important, that I also do modeling and rendering for products 3D printing. Okay, it means that I also model the furniture or products like any watch. You can see like this type of watch I can do in Blender 3D for 3D print ready. I have NetFab software, 3MF I can provide you 3MF and G code 3D print ready files for your 3D printing, so you can use for your any events and live showing to your customer, or you can also show for your uh, show for your customers. I'm really happy to show you all my work. Okay, must visit at artstation.com slash Gibran SEO. You can check there all my working portfolio. Also, you can contact me mm, at WhatsApp. This is my Gmail ID. Okay, this is my Gmail ID. You can contact me. You can email me any inquiry. Fiverr.com slash Gibran SEO. You can contact me, chat me over there. And this is also I have written in the summary about that I'm SEO professional. I also do website designing, but mostly I do website optimization working according to the Google Panda Penguin and Google Bird rule. So I rank the website as you will see in my next video about my own ranking, my own website's ranking. Okay, so till then, thank you. Check, keep checking my work. Okay, then we can meet next time. Have a good time. Thank you.